Okay, so let's do the ritual. We start Creators Hangout episode 5 in 3, 2, 1. And welcome, Noro. I was going to say welcome, Noro, directly. Welcome, Alden Norora. He is a college friend of mine. We both are in the same class. We both are doing electronics engineering. And one might think, why is he on Creative Hangout? Because he is an athlete, by the way. So it's not exactly like he's running a company or something, but Creators Hangout is not
I
just...
create something. I create records.
He
I
creates
create
records. That was a very nice one. So the reason that I thought of inviting him on the show is because of his journey. मतलब engineering तो एक side पे, but maintaining athletics along with academics is difficult. And being an athlete, he knows in and out की training वगैरह कैसे होता है physically, mentally. So I thought it would be a nice thing for us to have him. Welcome, Alden.
Hi, Sujoy. You said I'm an athlete, right? Let me explain it to people who might not have much knowledge. I am a professional athlete in the event of 110 meter hurdles. I also run the 100 meters along with it. So it's like a secondary event that I've added to it so that I can, take part in 2 events. And I've been pursuing this field for around 14 years. This is my 15th year. So it has gone along with my education, since my first grade.
And we have 15 years is a very long time, man. Seriously.
If you see 15 years, professionally, I'll tell you, I started, I think, when I was in the 4th standard. So at the time, because that was the time I started winning competitions. And then I realized, okay, I should take this thing seriously. So results are, but I never came first. 4th standard में मैं एक 1 kilometer race में first आया था, which was on the beach. So you run 500 meters on soft sand, which messes up your leg real bad. Yeah. And now you're in one momentum. After 500 meters, you're supposed to turn.
Oh,
so that breaks your momentum, and then you come back. And this is when I'm 9 years old. I was 9 years.
Yeah, right. 4th grade, man.
So I came back, and I had to run on wet sand. So there's water flying on your face, and भागना. Towards the end, my legs were stiff, sore, सब कुछ. मैं literally मरने वाला था. And I was like, अरे finishing line दिख रहा है पर आ रहा क्यों नहीं है? दिख रहा है आ रहा क्यों नहीं है? And then I finished. I was like, oh my god, what this event was. It was just making my life miserable. मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ ये? मैं जो इसमें आया.
So 4th grade मतलब 15 साल मतलब first grade से तूने आगे start किया ना?
Yes.
First grade में you got introduced to training, I could say.
Formal training to athletics, yes.
So first of all, I had a few questions. ठीक है? Physical fitness is one thing and mental fitness is another thing. So as an athlete, does mental fitness get developed over time because you have to have that attitude, that mindset, or do you have to do some mental fitness training? Just say you understand okay, I am at a low now, I have to look at it in this way. These are the things I will practice so that it can help my mental fitness. So are those separate things?
No, they go hand in hand, I'll tell you. Physical training is happening. If you do well in physical training, you can build your mental self well. Because you know that you have trained hard. So your mind will be like, okay, मैंने training किया है. It is like saying मैंने अपने exam के लिए 2 महीने से पढ़ा है, तो मेरा exam अच्छा जाएगा. Right? अभी exam का क्या scene होता है? Unit tests, we can study one night before also. In training, you cannot train a night before or a week before. It's a continuous, gradual process. So I'll tell you about the mental stuff here, how mentally we are trained. Our mental test is taken every training. With what mentality we enter the ground? Is our mood good? Is our mood bad? Because our workouts are more tough than the race itself.
Right.
So the workouts, I'll tell you, when I started formal training, I think when I was in the sixth standard, fifth May, I faced my first injury. It went on, and it was my first ever injury. It went on for around 2 years. उसने मुझे इतना सताया वो इंजरी ने. It was on my right heel because वही बीच रेस भाग रहा था मैं फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड में. I landed on a stone flat क्योंकि bare feet भागना था. So I landed on my heel flat. I could not walk properly. Running तो भूल जाओ. फिफ्थ में गया ये चीज, सिक्स्थ में गया ये चीज. मैं फिजिकली डाउन हो गया because I was not training. मैं मेंटली डाउन भी हो गया because my own training partners जो competitor ट्रेनिंग में थे लोग, they started defeating me within workouts. So that put me down mentally very bad. And I was on the verge of actually leaving the sport when I was in the 7th grade. So I was 12 years. I was 12 years probably.
Why were you going to leave it?
I was not performing at all. My coach, like I said, he is a very strict person. His way of motivating is basically piercing you to the core. His statements were so strong. They scared me. They still scare me.
Statements like?
Statements like, तुझे perform नहीं करना है तो छोड़ दे ये सब. Don't waste your time. Don't waste my time. And the way he speaks, his tone is very, heavy. तो उनका सुन के मुझे रोने आता है. And I am a very emo person. I just want to tell, I get emotional very easily. मेरे को तो एक बार, I was a kid, I think, demonstration के लिए मेरे कोच ने एक बार मेरे एक सीनियर एथलीट को बताया था कि देख अभी इसको रुलाता हूँ, और चिल्ला के बोला चल रो अभी. मैं देख के इतना डर गया, मैं उधर ही रो दिया. So, but I feel that fear is good. It makes you realize that, okay, you are under authority. And he does see my life off field also, because that does affect the on field training.
Right.
अभी मेरा जो performance है full potential नहीं जा रहा, because I'm going to college and coming home, I'm dead tired. Despite being tired, I have to go in the evening and give my 100%. वो 100% में भी अच्छा निकल जाता है. Why it is good here now, I'll tell you. क्योंकि मैं competitions में fresh जाता हूँ.
Competition में
fresh जाता हूँ. I go fresh at my competitions, right? There is no college or something. I'm going fresh there. Training में क्या होता है? Come back from college. फिर hurdles का अगर कोई repetition करने वाला, I have to clear 5 hurdles, 3-4 repetitions. वो hurdles मुझे खुद लाना पड़ता है. And those hurdles are very heavy. Each hurdle is like, एक लाओ, फिर चलो उसमें time pass हो जाता है. So that becomes another stress. Mentally, when you see your competitors on field, when you're running a race, their body language, their attitude, their performances that they have run previously, they affect the mind a lot. No athlete will deny that. They will deny it in front, but if you ask them personally, they will never deny that they are afraid of stuff. Now that happened to me many times. But my coach told me, either run the race fearlessly or don't run the race at all. You're wasting your time by running with fear.
Right.
मुझे 10th का एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ. 10th में I was selected for my first ever All India Junior National. Okay, meaning it was my third national event, and I won. I was selected for 2 events. One was the 400 meters, and one was 100 meter hurdles. This was in Vijayawada. तो पूरा बिरयानी खा के हम लोग का हैदराबाद के पास, तो बिरयानी खा के हम लोग ने, I prepared myself well. So I was scared of 400 at the time. Okay, तो 400 में क्या होता है? You run the first 100, it's a curve. Then the second 100, you can float the speed. Basically, you can keep the speed same. The next 300, the third 100 that comes is a test where you can pull a person or race a person at the curve. And the last 100 is up to you. कोई तुझे कोई बचा नहीं सकता. That's why your training comes. The real race starts at the last 100. How well you pull yourself. तो मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि आज मेरा 2 इवेंट्स है, बिकॉज 400 was clashing with my hurdle. So I thought that if I'll run too fast for my 400, I might mess up my 100 hurdles. तो
Right.
फियर की वजह से आई मेस्ड अप माय हर्डल्स. आई रैन वेरी बैड. मैं जो 51 सेकंड्स भागता था एट द टाइम, 52 51 400 मीटर्स, मैं 55 भागा. मेरे कोच ने बोला,
Wow.
तुझे अगर डर लग रहा था ना तो भागना ही नहीं चाहिए था तुझे.
Hmm.
Why did you waste your time and get yourself insulted this way?
Oh my god.
Exactly. He told me that. So this was there, and then he told me, अगर तू hurdles में first नहीं आया तो देख मैं तेरा क्या करता है. This sentence is, no, I'll tell you, they scared the shit out of me. मैं रो के मॉम को बोला, मम्मी मेरे को मेडल जीतना है यार, मेरे को आप मेडल दिला दो. आई एम टेलिंग माय मॉम यू गिव मी द मेडल. माय मॉम वाज लाइक कुछ नहीं मिल जाएगा. हीट्स भागा.
Hmm.
हीट्स में मैं सेकंड आया. देयर इज दिस गाय फ्रॉम, आई थिंक ही वाज फ्रॉम कोई नॉर्थ ईस्ट का स्टेट में था वो, एंड ही केम फर्स्ट इन द प्रीवियस हीट. सो देयर वर 2 हीट्स. तो पहले इसमें फर्स्ट आया. वी कैन कम टू द टाइमिंग. सो दैट्स हाउ वी कैन कम टू नो किसने कैसे एफर्ट डाला है. दैट्स हाउ वी स्टडी द माइंड कि ओके इसने अभी स्लो भागा है ताकि ही कैन सेव एनर्जी फॉर लेटर. सो वी चेक देयर स्टाइल, वी सी देयर स्टाइल कि ओके इसने एफर्ट डाला है, इसने एफर्ट नहीं डाला है. So that way you can, encourage yourself. But if your mind is weak, if I feel कि okay, I might get disturbed looking at their race, I will not look at their race at all. मैं अपने काम पे focus करूँ. So I saw his race, I realized okay, this guy is strong, but I need not worry. मेरा coach का threat तो था ही दिमाग में. I ran the race. I had one of the best starts. So when I reached the first hurdle first, that's where I get the advantage. क्योंकि फिर एक
Right. Momentum
पैटर्न
की
फॉलो
वजह
होता
से.
है.
Yeah. Right.
इट पुश मिलता है. दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट. तो क्या होता है अपने पेरिफेरल विजन में दिखता है आजू बाजू.
हाँ.
इन अ स्पैन ऑफ 13 seconds देयर इज अ लॉट गोइंग ऑन.
Right.
इट माइट सीम 13 seconds, बट दैट 13 seconds इज अ लॉट. आई टेल यू, व्हेन यू रन, मेरे को दिखा एक पॉइंट पे ये लोग आ रहे थे दिखा, बट आई वाज ट्राइंग नॉट टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट माय सेल्फ, बिकॉज़ इफ आई डू फिर हर्डल हिट होता है.
बराबर.
So I was like, नहीं मैं छोड़ूंगा. I'll just run. And last में first में in the end I came first. मैं गया and this was my first ever all India medal, like all states के against. So I went to my coach जो कभी मुझे praise नहीं करते, he hugged me.
Wow.
और मेरा एक सीनियर ने देखा था and जो मेरे साथ आया था इवेंट के लिए वो भी था. He was shocked कि सर ये अपने ही सर है ना जो कर रहा है सर, और सर छोड़ रही नहीं है मुझे. And I'm like, and one more thing, this was unexpected. Now what is happening? We sat for the closing ceremony. Closing ceremony में मुझे best athlete of the meet declared किया गया था. So I was given the best athlete of the whole national meet because of my performance. So that's why I was like, अभी मुझे इस sport को प्रोफेशनली पकड़ना ही है. ये नहीं कि अभी 12th के बाद पढ़ाई है छोड़ना पड़ेगा and all that nonsense. And I'm like, no, I have to. I got a direction. I know कि अभी I have a path. now. I know that there is something to do.
Right. Wow. I mean, the way I related to this is because I just remember one aspect from my school life. तो मैं ऐसा थोड़ा मोटू था, ठीक है. थोड़ा क्या, बहुत ही था. बट 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बाद मेरा वेट लाइक कम होने लगा बिकॉज हाइट भी बढ़ता है, यू नो ऑल दैट. एंड आई रिमेम्बर हमको बोला गया था कि 9th स्टैंडर्ड का स्पोर्ट्स डे विल बी द लास्ट स्पोर्ट्स डे फॉर दैट बैच, बिकॉज एक बार 10th में जाओगे तो स्पोर्ट्स डे नहीं होगा. सो आई वाज लाइक मेरे पास स्कूल लाइफ का एक भी मेडल नहीं है, ठीक है. एंड आई वाज लाइक मेरे को एक स्पोर्ट में चाहिए. So I thought, what is that one sport that I can train in the ground also, like आराम से मैं कर सकता हूँ. So for me it was running. ठीक है. तो मैं 9th standard में मैं बहुत practice किया. And I used to like watch YouTube videos कि कैसे भागते, like the whole footwork, कि heel ये नहीं करना है, ball of the foot पे ही जाना है, and how to take that stance while
ball of the foot,
you know, हाँ, how to take that stance starting के इस पे. फिर भाग मिल्खा भाग भी तभी रिलीज हुआ था. So it was all everything
Exactly.
came like ऐसे. and दो लड़के थे who were in my batch only. They were the fastest. So एक का अराउंड वो जो एक ग्राउंड है वहाँ पे स्केटिंग ग्राउंड है. सो वी डिड अ रेस, ठीक है, टाइमिंग चेक किया एंड दे यूज्ड टू आल्सो प्रैक्टिस देयर ओनली. तो द फर्स्ट गाय कंप्लीटेड दैट स्केटिंग ग्राउंड का वन राउंड इन आई गेस 15 seconds, ठीक है. दूसरे बंदे ने कुछ 17 सेकेंड लगाया. These are the fastest guys. Okay, and I completed it in 16 seconds. तो मैं उधर दोनों को बीट की, मतलब उसको एक को बीट किया
16 seconds.
एंड आई हाँ. एंड जब स्पोर्ट्स डे आया आई गॉट क्वालिफाइड फॉर द फाइनल्स, बट फाइनल्स में मैं हारा, ठीक है. लाइक आई गेस मैं थर्ड आया था, थर्ड या फोर्थ आया था. इट वाज बेस्ट ऑफ 4. सो लकीली आई गॉट क्वालिफाइड वैसे. एंड द जोक इज मेरे को टग ऑफ वॉर में हम लोग का ब्लू हाउस जीता, तो मेरे को उसका मेडल मिला.
So तेरा ट्रेनिंग उसमें वहाँ काम आया.
हाँ.
That's what happens now. So what you train for sometimes you expect कि ये मिलेगा but मिलता कुछ और है.
हाँ.
So that's the lesson in life if you also see that.
Yeah, because now I am at a position where I design medals. Okay. So it is like क्या है. But I still remember वो टग ऑफ वॉर का मेरे को एक मेडल मिला था एंड वो मेडल लेके अकेला ऐसे ग्राउंड पे गया. Like the whole school crowd was at one side, I was at another side. I was looking at that medal and I was crying कि यार एक मेडल मिला है मेरे को.
That happiness, I'll tell you, you cannot express it, you cannot explain it.
I can't hear you.
I will send you a video.
Yeah, you were saying.
So I was saying that feeling of that medal, getting the medal. In fact, the feeling of crossing the finish line first, you cannot express it. It is something you want to really go mad about, but वो बाहर आता ही नहीं है. I'll tell you, I have won so many competitions. I have felt the need to literally dance. जो parties में नहीं नाचते.
हाँ.
वैसे, like, you know, just like go mad, like a rowdy dance, you know. But exactly, full jingle. But then you are like, no, you are a professional person, you are a mature person, you have won the race, you have to finish your work and go out of the field. What I was even talking about the mental part here, we are made to do meditation.
I was going to ask you that.
The event.
I was going to ask you that.
So that meditation is basically what we do is, we lie down. We imagine every part of the muscle from head to toe and switch it off, except for the lungs, the heart and the brain, because they are working involuntarily.
Right.
Our coach is next to us and he starts commentary dete rehta hai. He talks to us, he starts narrating. He imagine your head, imagine your shoulder muscles turning off, all of this. Then he tells us, imagine yourself on the competition day. Imagine yourself on the competition day. Warm up कैसे करेगा? कैसा? How will you go towards call room? When they'll call you at the call room, they will set the heats, they will set the group. Then you are on the starting line. What is your mind? Imagine you are on the track. Imagine running the race. Imagine winning the race. That's the most important. Imagine winning the race. कल को तुम बोल्ट के साथ भी भाग रहे हो. When you meditate, imagine yourself defeating him. What I do is, I imagine the hurdles in slow motion. Start liya. I talk to myself, okay, start liya. The start has to be at this position. My start has to be perfect. It has to give a good start. And I reach the first hurdle first. Okay, we have to keep this momentum on. Not to look left and right. Forget my peripheral vision. My aim is straight. Just like the horse. You know, so I look straight. जाना है, एक hurdle cross किया. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. 10th clear करने के बाद there is a stretch of 14.02 meters. That part also counts as a race.
Okay.
वो चीज क्या होता है, when you by the time you reach the last hurdle, your speed kind of slows down. तो फिर वो position से तुमको वापस पास भागने का थोड़ा tough पड़ता है. So that's where the main race happens. So then you pull and then you finish the race. You need to imagine every aspect. And these are all split second decisions.
हाँ
These are all split second decisions. तुमको और hurdles में क्या है? Between each hurdle, you can only take 3 steps. That's the minimum number of steps a human person can take.
right
और सेम लेग भी आता है जो हम भागते हैं, सेम लेग भी आता है, so that it maintains a pattern, maintains a level of symmetry.
right
4 steps
तो
भी होता
होएगा
है
ही
पर
नहीं,
पैर चेंज होता है.
बराबर
Also, in the first stretch, from the start to the first hurdle, I take 8 steps. Normal people who are playing at the international level, they take 7 steps. तो उसमें ज्यादा stretch करना पड़ता है. My coach was like, why don't you try 7 steps? तो at least तेरा 1 step कम होएगा. But in that case क्या होता है? मेरा stride length बढ़ जाता है, पर वो force और momentum कम हो जाता है. Because stride length and frequency of the legs are, क्या बोलते हैं, reciprocative, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, inversely proportional in
Inversely
engineering term.
हाँ
So yeah, so then you need to keep the optimum level of stride length as well as speed, because you can't be too fast in hurdles too. If you're being too fast, you need to have control over that speed.
right
So that's what is happening. So that's how we are trained mentally, prepare yourself mentally to basically win the race, not lose the race. When you go on the competition day, your day has to go as planned. जो तूने meditation में ही plan किया है, वही होना चाहिए.
do you all meditate just a day before the race, or do you like with training
People have that schedule कि हम meditate करेंगे, ये सब करेंगे. So now I am a person of strong faith. So my meditation is prayer. So I channelize my meditation into prayer. I talk to him. I tell him how I am going to win the race. How my further events are coming. Whatever events are going to come, I'm going to prepare for that and all. But this meditation, what I'm talking about, is it done a day prior. So if I go to my national
and how
events,
long do you do it?
it goes for around 5 to 10 minutes. There's no timing in this. It's like पहले तुम अपना बॉडी को रिलैक्स करो, फिर रेस का डे इमेजिन करो, तुम हीट्स इमेजिन करो, सेमीफाइनल इमेजिन करो, फिर फाइनल इमेजिन करो. The last activity of the meditation is trying to hear the noise around you to catch the least loud noise.
The last activity. So last activity.
Yeah. So the last activity, the last activity is where you have to use your focus to listen to the nearby sounds, which are inaudible when you are normally talking to a person. किसी इंसेक्ट का आवाज, अभी क्रिकेट का ज्यादा लाउड होता है, बट बिसाइड्स द क्रिकेट देयर माइट बी सम साउंड दैट इज गोइंग ऑन. या फिर अभी हम लोग स्कूल में ये करते हैं तो बाहर while training vehicles का आवाज नहीं आता, but when you do this meditation you will hear the sound of vehicles running.
How does it help?
You will hear the sound of. It helps to test your focus कि तुम सच में meditation कर रहे थे कि नहीं.
Okay, that way.
Yeah, that's what my perspective about it is.
Okay.
And that's how we basically go about it. When I go for my national events, I do this meditation on the ground.
Okay.
Because people train. मैं एक दिन पहले वहाँ जाके train करता हूँ, वो track पे जाके.
So that you like,
test
so that
myself
you
how it is
eliminate
going.
all the unwanted things, and then you can have that clarity to what you want.
Yes.
That way.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So अभी like जो भी athletics का जो training है, okay, like I related to all these things are very much important in life as well, be it in any aspect you are. Like I am pursuing filmmaking or all this. Okay, so discipline is needed, that clarity is needed.
That's the first thing is discipline.
Right, and there is this one thing. Now ये जो weekend पे आएगा probably ये podcast, तो उसमें what happens is कि this is a very much perfect time, because it's wrong to say it, but Dhoni retired, Raina retired.
Yeah.
And we all know how he has been keeping his cool and in his captaincy and his ways. And one thing he said in many interviews is to be very much honest to yourself, honest to your core. So
honesty, I'll tell you where honesty can, if you don't be honest, how it backfires you. I'll tell you the story of 10th standard में मुझे shin injury हुआ था. Now my coach doesn't like it when he comes to know I have an injury.
अच्छा.
Because then he doesn't train me at all.
इसके miss करते रहेंगे.
Yeah. तो मेरा एक shin दुखने लगा. Now when your shin pains, it's not the shin that pains, it's basically the muscles that support the shin get weak. अगर वो लोग बोलते हैं मुझे shin दुख रहा है, the bone can't pain. If the bone had to pain, the person would not be able to walk at all.
Right.
So basically, it's the muscle that support the bone. So that's what happened to me. And I was preparing for a national meet at the time, which was in Goa. तो मेरा एक shin दुख रहा था and मैं अपने toes पे भागने, ball of the foot पे भागने नहीं हो रहा था मुझे. But I was still bearing the pain and running. एक shin का चालू हो गया, दूसरा shin का भी चालू हो गया. Both my legs started paining. I hid it from my coach. You won't believe I ran on my heel. So I told me just one stride, I don't want to see you run. I started running on my heel.
He caught it.
I felt rubbish and he told me, ऐसा क्यों भाग रहा है? No, sir, what happened? He's like, why are you running on your heel? Then I had to tell him. Then he lost his calm. He was like, so this is not going to happen. And this gave me a lesson that, okay, discipline, honesty, can't be honest. You have to be honest. Yourself first. If you are trying to, he has told us this also. You can fool me. But if you fool me, you're fooling yourself much worse.
Right.
तो वो backfire हुआ. I went with both shin पे crepe bandages पहन के मैं गोवा गया. गोवा जाके hits me out. वो मेरा age group भी कम था at the time, but so I didn't expect myself to win. But I lost. तो गोवा का पूरा sightseeing करके आया मैं. And I came back. Then I realized, okay, I have to take things seriously.
अच्छा वो पीछे जो फोटो है राइट में वो तू ही है क्या?
That's me. That's yours.
Before after.
So I have come from here and I will go there.
Oh man, that was a. अच्छा बाय द वे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि लाइक मेरा बाल बहुत बड़ी है तो I do this. So it
Discipline. That's discipline. I need to keep discipline.
So it got related to Tanmay Bhatt because वो streams पे ऐसे से करता है.
He does that. He had long hair. He recently cut it though.
हाँ.
Shankar OP.
तो you were telling me about one incident with Tanmay Bhatt जो हुआ था.
Yeah. So basically सामने नहीं हुआ. So I'm a big fan of him, right? So I was excited and मेरे पास थोड़ा I had some money in this Google. एक तो कुछ तो some money I had. So I thought, why don't I give him a super chat? So I was at this competition and I was very excited and he was streaming. So I had, I think I gave a super chat of 100 rupees. I told him that a big fan, sir, I'm at a competition, please wish me luck. So मैं excited था ये कब मेरा नाम लेगा and he said all the best Aldrin and I was like मेरा नाम गलत क्यों लेना था इसको एक बार तो ले लेता सही. But then I won that competition. It was I think in Solapur में. That is December, yeah. So I was like, great. Later, again, there was a stream. I think I paid 40 rupees and I just told him big fan or something. There he got my name right.
अच्छा.
He got my name right. So yeah, I feel honored, I guess.
Do you think like जैसे बहुत लोग होते हैं who haven't yet figured out what they want to do or what they are good at or what they should think of doing in the near future? So for them, because they feel extremely lost. Okay, even people like me, even if I'm doing such things, like even if I know that my inclination is towards filmmaking, even if I know that video editing में मेरा interest है, मेरा ये skill set है, still at times there are few other things that affect a lot. And it's just not कि people like लोग क्या सोचते हैं, it's more internal ये कि oh shit, I am not feeling to work today.
This is self-doubt, which I can completely agree with. I can completely agree with you. This happened to me 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Because there was this international competition going on in Monaco. It's going on. I think it's still going on. The Diamond League. It's called the Diamond League. और hurdles का event चालू था. तो मैं बैठा था and I saw their timing. They're running 13.11. अभी मेरा टाइमिंग 13.96 है बेस्ट, विच आई रन एट अ हाइट ऑफ 99 centimeters of the hurdle. The official height is of 106.7 centimeters. Men's height Olympic level. तो मैं सोचा कि एंड फॉर दैट टाइम एंड दैट उसका टाइमिंग मेरा 14.26 बेस्ट है, ठीक है. सो आई एम लैगिंग बाय अ बिग फ्रैक्शन. इट लुक्स लाइक 1.1 seconds ओनली,
ये बहुत बड़ा
बट 1.1 second इज, अगर 100 meters में देखा जाए, दैट्स अराउंड 13 meters out of 100 meters.
बराबर
13 to 15 meters out of 100
Right.
meters. So I started telling myself, यार मैं कब पहुंचूंगा, मैं कैसे करूंगा ये, because I have peers in my own field who have gone to the international level in the same competition where I could have. इसका एक और एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ. सेकेंड ईयर में सेम्स चालू था and I was at Mangalore
हाँ
for my All India Inter University. I was representing Mumbai University. So, and it was in my hometown. So I was like, you know, very excited क्योंकि my hometown. But एक pressure था कि मेरा hometown है, family expect करेगा जीतने का, ये बोलिए. I didn't let that affect me, but it came subconsciously.
बराबर.
And I was like, यार क्या करूँ. That event was a selection for Italy, where one of my friends went. उसका सीन क्या बता दूँ? I was prepared at the starting line, ready था. Start हुआ, निकले हम लोग. Till the fifth hurdle, I was first. I was like, okay, I have the race at hand. I can do this. Okay. Fifth hurdle गया. Everyone like, अरे ये तो first आएगा. Sixth hurdle hit हुआ मेरा. It changed my body's pattern, rhythm, everything, momentum, सब कुछ. Sixth hurdle hit हुआ, seventh hurdle hit हुआ, eighth hurdle hit हुआ, ninth hurdle hit हुआ. I literally saw my dreams crushing. मैं रोते फिनिश किया हूँ. I was like, I can't believe what is happening. And you won't believe, कल EDC का पेपर था. The next day EDC पेपर. तो दिमाग में एग्जाम का था, दूसरा जीतना है. I was shocked. My coach had no words. Because shock क्यों? पूरा साल मेहनत किया है ना. सुबह शाम ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ. Morning I'm going to the gym, evening I'm going to the ground, morning I go on the roads, morning we go to Aksa beach sometimes, या फिर evening को we are called at the hill पे ट्रेनिंग करो, रोड पे ट्रेनिंग करो. मर के we literally on the roads, हम लोग रोड पे सोए रहते हैं. For a walker by, वो सोचेंगे कि ये क्या है. For me it's nothing. For me I'll see my other training partner वो भी लेटा है. I'm like हाँ normal है. It looks funny, but the thing is we are dead. Next day EDC paper. I went and gave my EDC paper. सच्ची बोलूं 32 marks attempt किया था मैंने. Okay, luckily थोड़ा I was able to do 32 and I ended up getting 41.
एक भी KT आया क्या?
And I'm like,
इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ में एक भी बार KT आया?
None. KT का बताता हूँ मैं. So this is one benchmark my mom told me to follow. कि not in one KT.
मेरे को भी बोला था लेकिन मिला था मेरे को एक.
So अभी वो certain shortcomings होता है वो. Even I am afraid कि I can get a KT. Be it sports or be it any field. मैं sports के perspective में बोलना चाहूँगा. A sportsman can grasp things faster.
Yeah, right.
अभी वो परसेप्ट्रॉन का चीज जो मैम सिखा रही है ना, मैं समझ गया हूँ. न्यूरल नेटवर्क. इसलिए मैं चैट बॉक्स में और न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स का व्हाई डू यू थिंक आई एम एबल टू आंसर, व्हाई डू यू थिंक आई एम गिविंग आंसर टू मैम, इज बिकॉज आई एम एबल टू ग्रास्प इट.
Because that focus
we are
is
able
there.
to take split seconds. Exactly. So we are able to take split second decisions. We are able to focus कि okay ये चीज है. But एक बार focus हट जाता है ना, तो then we get mad. That's why ना I cannot focus beyond 45 minutes in class. मैं इसलिए जानबूझ के लेक्चर के बीच में डाउट पूछूंगा. Then I will tell ma'am, if ma'am will repeat a statement कि A plus B is equal to C.
Okay. Now I get it.
इसलिए मैं
I've observed you that why are you asking so many doubts?
So that's the reason. क्योंकि मैं खुद को ensure करता हूँ कि मुझे ये समझ में आया है और मैं प्रोफेसर को भी फीडबैक देता हूँ कि okay, what you are teaching has gone into my head. So if ma'am says or sir says a plus b is equal to c, क्या आपको समझ में आया? Yes, ma'am, a plus b is equal to c. I have understood. I will repeat the whole thing again.
That's a nice habit, dude. I remember talking about
I do that obviously.
this
हाँ.
to Zuili. Like I guess second year में बात किया था. We talk about these things a lot. And so like what I am trying to see and what I'm trying to learn is that those small things like focus वगैरह and all these things, these little practices that add on over a period of time are more important than your actual work. I mean, in all these things,
True.
every sports person that I've seen talking about their sport, they talk about these things, these little things more instead of this is how we won or हम लोग ये वाला मैच जीते, हम लोग ये जीते, हम लोग वो जीते. They hardly talk about that. They mostly talk about this is what happened in the training session. This is what happened off the field. ये हुआ. And that is exactly what I am facing because ये video create करने को भी now I have gotten used to it into editing, but it's like I'm watching this podcast again and again and again because I have to
basically give you a teaching to yourself and give you an introspection कि मैं कहाँ lag कर रहा हूँ, where am I lacking?
Right. एक self talk बहुत important लगता है मेरे को. I mean, see, people just say कि अरे bro, questions ये नहीं थे, अरे questions ये नहीं थे. And as a creator, I have to accept that. I have to listen to that feedback. I can't just be like अरे मैं 6 घंटा डाल रहा हूँ editing में. I can't say that because that is
Exactly.
what I chose to do. Right? मेरे को कोई बोला नहीं करने को. So obviously.
True.
But what I'm trying to say is the process. The process is what is, I guess, the most important thing.
And no one talks about it.
And no one talks about
No
it.
one talks about that. People will be like, Ashay, तू यहाँ medal जीत गया ना, तू ये medal जीत गया ना. So I'm like, yeah. But they will not be like, okay, why don't you tell me about your experience? कि तू क्या train किया, कैसे train किया? How do you think you came up and won? Because people में एक maturity नहीं है कि we should ask them about the experience about training rather than oh congratulations you won. Chal, that's one thing, that's a different thing. But when you ask a sports person about their experience in training, they are the most happiest to tell you about it.
Because of those failures
Because honestly,
and
we have no one to share it, to anyone.
right.
Like our parents are there to listen. But जो peer होता है अपना, जो group होता है, when we tell them, they might, give you a sense of appreciation which makes you feel good.
And they might think that you're boasting about yourself.
That's what happens when your friends, I wouldn't call them friends though. If they tell you boasting, they're not your friends.
Because personally, when I rebranded this channel, and I'm still struggling with the consistency and all that, but what actually helped me into thinking कि okay 4 साल I was like doing this, it didn't work, but why didn't it work? So I went down the whole memory lane of क्या गलत किया, मैं क्या नहीं किया, and the one thing that came down was कि I didn't think of it consciously. It was what people were perceiving it as.
तू सिर्फ उनके point of view में जा रहा है और with the flow जा रहा है. You're not basically trying to find. हाँ.
Hello.
Can you hear?
हाँ.
I can hear. So basically, what you're doing is you're just taking people's inputs and going with the flow.
That is what I was doing earlier.
Exactly. वही बोल रहा था. Now you have got a direction. You are controlling the flow now. Previously you weren't.
Right.
You are letting the crowd control the flow.
बराबर.
And that's a good thing that you have got control on that flow.
And it
take inputs from people.
Right.
So that you can create your own direction.
Because
you were saying?
I was saying, so I watched this film Muhammad Ali ka. Will Smith is playing Muhammad Ali, and I saw that film and I realized that and then I watched few interviews also. I realized how quiet was Muhammad Ali in his personal life. Okay. I mean, it's not about what those things he says in front of the media or when he's
But
boxing.
you know one thing. Do you know why did he say those things in front of the media? That attitude,
To play with the mind.
his attitude, exactly. That attitude seems like he's bragging or boasting,
Right,
but
right,
it is to play with the opponent's mind,
right, right, right.
and that's a good thing. I'll tell you, मैंने लोगों को बिना बात किए हराया है रेस के पहले. तुम्हारा body language plays a lot. If you do your exercises and before your event, तुम्हारा warm up के time पे all these athletes are watching each other. मैं अपना ही करता हूँ. I just see them. So I will do certain exercises and I'll make some noises like so these people they start getting scared कि oh my god this guy is really confident.
अपने क्रिकेट के टाइम
This guy
यही हुआ
knows he'll
था.
win the race.
अपने क्रिकेट के टाइम आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर आवर क्रिकेट टीम मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाला
Intra, हाँ,
इंट्रा.
हाँ, हाँ.
तो तभी अपना टीम बन गया एंड द फर्स्ट 2 days ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. ओके, ग्राउंड पे हम लोग गए, हम बाकी सब टीम को प्रैक्टिस करने के टाइम देख रहे. एंड आई रिमेम्बर दोज वर्ड्स. कोई तो बोला था कि वो आईटी वाला जो बैच है, सीनियर्स थे, वो आईटी वाला जो बैच है वो तो हरा ही देगा बे, इसके आगे हम लोग जाने ही नहीं वाले. And I remember those words, and then cut to off the field, we were sledging those fielders like anything. Each team.
मेरे को याद है मैं I was there for the final match ना.
हाँ, each
बेचारा who was that guy from production आकिब
Akib. And
आपके आकिब खान.
there
Yes.
was no need.
So-
there was no need of sledging. Still, we were sledging till the last,
I know
and we won the tournament by the way.
we won it. It was a great match. फिर हम लोग यॉट गए मजे किए
वो इधर नहीं बोलने.
खाने गए थे हम लोग.
हाँ, खाने गए थे.
We went to eat some food because we were really tired,
Hmm.
Also, I just want to add one thing about humility here. Like, if you want, you can just add it in this thing. That how you stay humble, no matter how big you get. मैं races जीता हूँ इतना, but I have told myself that I will never fly because my coach has told me not to do that. Second thing is when I win a competition, I don't feel I have basically defeated the big guys. I feel कि slow इन लोग ने slow भागा रहेगा या तो these guys are weak. That's why I defeated them. But in reality, I have improved myself. But that way I have won. That's how 2 years ago I ran 2 years नहीं I think 1 year ago 2019 मैं मेरा ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 आया. I ranked 1. पढ़ाई में तो मेरा ऑल इंडिया भूल जाओ मैंने जेई कुछ दिया ही नहीं था वरना 1 लाख में आता था. तो my rank came all India 1 there and I didn't find it a big deal. I was like ठीक है. I was selected for my international. I was like चल ठीक है. Because the day I start flying about a certain thing, then my confidence for the next will gradually drop.
Humility is a very important aspect.
Humility is required. And that's how, graph of performance has to go gradually up and gradually down. Gradually down means a good retirement from the sport. If you perform suddenly up, your performance will come suddenly down. That sudden down is called injury.
Hmm.
So इसलिए मैं अपना आराम से जा रहा हूँ. I have missed many national trials का सिलेक्शन. मैं श्रीलंका जा सकता था, मैं हांगकांग जा सकता था, मैं बहामास जा सकता था, but certain performance की वजह से नहीं हुआ. But these all performances will go gradually. I have something that will await me. I aim to win something bigger. So patience is key. Discipline here. Mindset. अभी लॉकडाउन का टाइम है, so I can take things slightly light. आराम से ट्रेनिंग जा सकता है. टेक सम ब्रेक बिकॉज फॉर अभी मंथ्स के लिए कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं है और अभी हैवी ट्रेनिंग करूंगा तो फायदा नहीं है. मैं पीक में आऊंगा परफॉर्मेंस बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रन एनी इवेंट. व्हाट इज द पॉइंट? आई विल एंड अप बर्निंग आउट और इंजरी हो जाएगा.
बराबर.
So that's the one I want to
It's really nice that you gave that input. मेरे दिमाग से वो like I forgot that part. No, it's good that you added it. And of course, the last question. You know what the question is, okay? So the last question for this episode is, according to you, what is time?
4.5.
Thank you. वो
No.
मेरे को okay. Let's wrap it here. We have it.
I can tell you. Okay, so let's get this again. What is time? Time का importance ना जिसको नहीं मिलता उसको मालूम रहेगा. For an athlete, 1 second makes split second makes a big difference. उसको उसका वैल्यू पता चलता है. महीने महीने का ट्रेनिंग उसके स्प्लिट सेकंड में कम होने में जाता है. It takes months to work to cut split seconds down. I get happy when I cut my timing from 14.5 to 14.2. That's just a matter of 0.3 milliseconds. 0.3 milliseconds. This thing. Also, if you want to see my sci-fi perspective about it, have you seen the movie Lucy?
Yeah, I have watched it.
Okay, so in that she tells that there is no unit of measurement.
Right. I remember that dialogue.
There is no unit of measurement. Only time is the unit of measurement. Okay, that's why she says that when you make a car move and increase its speed gradually, with what theory will you prove its existence?
Right.
Because if it goes at a speed where it is invisible, you cannot prove whether it is there or not by looking at it. Time is the only way you can prove it. So time is the only unit of measurement that can basically, if you see, if you've seen Interstellar, we always chat about this topic. So yeah, Interstellar, we chat about this topic. And when they go to that planet where, 1 year is 45 minutes, they hurry. They hurry because they know the value of that. They will lose years.
1 year is 7 years.
That's how time ka measurement.
10.
Exactly.
1 minute.
1 year is 7
10
years.
10 minutes something. 1 hour.
Nee.
1 hour is 7 years. 1 hour.
1 hour is 7 years. Yes, I got that wrong. Sorry. 1 hour is 7 years. So that's how they realize that itna importance of timing ka. It may be something that is sci-fi, but we need to realize that how important time
The
is.
other day I was thinking about this only. वो Lucy का जो concept बोला ना, I was watching Vessels and I was like thinking about time, and then I was like physicists are trying to unify these theories where एक है the modern physics वाला theory which is relativity, and one is quantum theory, and gravity वगैरह वो combine नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, because quantum world में सब अलग चलता है और real world मतलब ऐसे macro world में अलग चलता है. So I was thinking
Correct.
about Schrodinger's cat, where वो जो thought experiment है उसमें unless you observe, you don't know if the cat is in the box or the cat is not in the box, or rather the cat is alive or dead. You don't know unless you observe. So if you think in that way, as they've explained it in Lucy, if the car is moving at a faster speed, how will you prove the existence of the car? So I think somewhere those things align. बस हम लोग का एक
You've given me something to think about.
mathematical statement चाहिए. So I was just thinking कि maybe it's just there. It's just that we are not able to put it on paper. But ठीक है, हो जाएगा कभी तो. And
Yes.
we have actually recorded more than an hour now. So
I actually have so much to tell,
I know. I know that. I
मेरे को
completely know that.
बहुत इतना बोलने का है. मैं गाने भी चालू किया है, मैं ड्राइंग्स भी कर रहा हूँ.
Oh yeah,
I'm doing,
he does cover
सब
songs.
कुछ कर रहा हूँ
He
मैं.
does cover songs by the way. Instagram पे.
वो एक छोटा सा हॉबी था, तो बाथरूम सिंगर से अभी स्टेज सिंगर बनने के लिए. I just made those covers.
So I guess we need to end it here क्योंकि मेरा फोन मस्त गर्म हो रहा है. ठीक है. Okay. So thank you Alden for joining us on Creators Hangout.
Sure, thank you for inviting me.
And we'll end it then with this thing. And 3, 2, 1. That's a wrap.